Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Dr. Nandang Arif Saipullah MPD as an English lecturer for mathematics course. My circle at year's end. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Yuni Nuraini with student ID number 23314111017. There is an integration between the Quran and the topic we will discuss today. In Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 33, Allah says, "And it is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. Each is floating in its own orbit." Okay, this verse reflects the orderly movement of the sun and the moon. In mathematics, it can be related to the concept of a circle as a simple representation of the circular path of celestial bodies revolving around the center point. Okay, based on this verse, we will now discuss the topic of circles. Okay, today I will present a lesson on circles, specifically discussing the part of a circle. Okay, we have the topic. The first is meaning of circles, and the second is part of a circle. Okay, before we continue, let's go to know the circle's friends who will accompany us in today's lesson. First, there are Ronnie, Acha, Tisa, Reza, and Emma. Right now, Ronnie and his circle friends are celebrating New Year's Eve. They are having a party together. Let's join the fun. Okay, it looks like they are having so much fun. Some are laughing together and others are enjoying their meal. Can you see any object that the shape like a circle around them? Okay, there are many objects that are shaped like a circles. First, we have an orange, the moon, pizza, a sushi, a donut, an onion rings, and a burger patty. What do you think a circle is? Okay. A circle is a set of points in the plane that are all equidistant from a given point. This given point is called the center of the circle. Okay, now when the points are connected, they form a continuous curved line with no endpoint. This curved line is called a circle. Okay? Wow, in the end, only one pizza is left and Ronnie is going to help cut it. Okay, come on, let's help Ronnie cut the pizza. Then this visualize look familiar? They remind us of the part of a circle. Do you know what the part of a circle are? Let's discuss them one by one. Okay, the part of a circle include the segment and the sector, which are like the slice of Franny's pizza. Let's go to know the others. Okay, this is a picture of the part of a circle. Let's discuss them one by one. Okay, first, center point. The center of a circle is the point located in the middle of the circle, marked in red. This one. Point O represents the center of the circle. Okay. Next, radius. The radius usually denoted by R. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference. For example, length segment OA, OB, OC, and OD are all radii of the circle. Okay? Next, diameter. The diameter usually denoted by D. The diameter is a straight line that passed through the center of the circle and connect to point on the circumference. Okay? In addition, the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay? Okay, the diameter, for example, the line BD is the diameter of the circle. Okay, next, arc. An arc is a curved line segment that forms part of the circumference of the circle. Okay, simply put, an arc is a curve that can connect any two points on the other edge of a circle. Okay, for example, the curved line AB, BC, CD, AD are all arcs of the circle. Okay. Next, chord. Okay. A chord is a straight line segment that connects any two points on the circumference of a circle. For example, the line segment AB is a chord of the circle. Okay, next, sector. A sector is a region inside a circle that is bounded by two radii and arc of the circle. Okay, look at this, the blue shade region COD in the sector of the circle, bounded by radii OC and OD and the arc CD. Okay, this is a sector. The blue shade. Next, segment. A segment is a region inside a circle that is bounded by a chord and arc. Okay, look at this. The yellow shade region A, B. Okay, the yellow shade region AB is a segment of the circle painted by chord AB and arc AB. Painted by chord AB and arc AB. AB, okay. Next. The last, an apothegm. An apothegm is a line segment drawn from the center of a circle that is perpendicular to a chord and meets it at its midpoint. For example, the line segment OE is the apothegm, connecting the center of the circle to a midpoint E of chord AB. Okay? Okay. So, these are the part of a circle. Do you understand them now? Okay. I hope you all understand. Okay, finally, they can enjoy the pizza that Ron has cut. So, in this video, we have learned about circles and the part of a circle. I hope it is useful for you. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.